Hey guys, welcome back, and this is another prop modeling tutorial. And today we are going to create this old chest in Maya 2022. Let's start with the modeling, and let's take a cylinder, rotate this, and let's increase the radius and height. Now go to right view and select half of these faces, then delete. Now select this edge and extrude. Like this. And let's close this hole. So select this one and this edge, then bridge, and same for this one. And just to be sure, just go to the vertex mode and select all the vertices and merge. Now select all these faces we just extruded and extract. Now select this top and scale it down. Now let's add some details on the top first. So isolate this, then go to edge mode and select these edges and bevel. Turn the chamfer off and decrease the fraction to 0.15. Now select this edge, then go to edge ring utilities and split. Now bevel this one, and now select these two edges and bevel again. So now we have these faces. Let's go to faces and select them. And let's duplicate and select all of them, then combine. So these strips are going to be our metallic part. Now you can select this top and isolate this one and remove these edges. We don't need them anymore. Delete. Bring back your duplicated parts and extrude. Increase the thickness like this to 0.1. Go to front view and select these, then go to vertex mode, select all these vertices in the bottom, and here you can see we need to do some scaling. So scale it down like this and bring these vertices to this edge. Now go to display and show, then all, to bring back your model. Now select this box and isolate this one. Go to edge mode, select this edge, then again go to edge ring utilities and split and bevel. Increase the fraction to 0.85 and select these corner edges and bevel again. Turn off the chamfer, then decrease the fraction. Now select these two edges and delete. Now go to face mode and select these faces. Again duplicate. Isolate this, and now you can remove all these edges. And delete. Now select the parts we just duplicated, isolate them, go to front view and go to edge mode, select these edges and then connect like this. Go to edge mode and select these edges, select similar and then bevel. Keep the fraction to 0.5 and again select these edges one more time. Select similar to select all of them and one more time bevel. Now decrease the fraction. Now go to edge mode and select this edge and this one, then bridge. Repeat the same for all these edges. Now you can bring back your model and select this, then extrude. Increase the thickness to 0.1. Now you can bring back your model. Now let's add some hinges on the back. For that, let's take a cylinder, bring it back and rotate. Go to back view and place this here, then decrease the radius and also subdivision axis to 14. Now select this cylinder and go to edge mode, then select this edge, again split and bevel. Decrease the fraction. Go to face mode and select these faces, then intrude. Now bevel these edges to make them a little bit smooth. You can do one more thing and select these faces. Press R and offset, then bring them out. Go to edge mode and select this edge, then bevel. Like this. And let's add one segment here so that we can delete the half and then duplicate again. Go to face mode and delete this one, then duplicate and rotate it like this. Now you can select both of them and combine. Now go to vertex mode, select these vertices and then merge. And now you can remove this edge. And duplicate this one. Now let's add some leg support for this chest. So select the face and duplicate. Select the face and let's modify, then center pivot and scale it a little bit like this. Now press Ctrl E and extrude. .15 and extrude one more time with some offset. Once again, add some thickness and offset. Like this. Now let's add some legs. So go to front view and take a plane. Push it down, then rotate it. Place it here like this. And remove these subdivisions. Let's keep them one by one for now. And let's increase subdivision of height to 5. Go to vertex mode, select these vertices and push them back a little bit. Now deselect upper one and again push them back. Now place this pivot here and create a duplicate, then rotate like this. Also go to face mode and select these faces, then go to face normals and reverse normals. Select both of them and combine. Go to vertex mode and select these vertices and merge. Now let's extrude this to 0.15. Let's push it in like this. And isolate this, then go to edge mode and select this edge and this one, these on the top and of these corners. Now bevel, increase the segment, decrease the fraction to 0.3. Now go to front view and now change the pivot to the center of this grid and create a duplicate. Open the channel box and in the scale X add -1. Now select both of them and duplicate again. Place this one on the back, and in the scale Z, let's add -1. Now isolate this one, select these two edges and delete. Go to edge mode, select this edge, all these four on the top and the bottom, and these corners. And bevel. Increase the segment, decrease fraction. Now let's add some more details. Now go to create and select this curve tool. Change it to one linear. Add some points like this. Now select this curve, bring it out. Go to surface and select this planar. Now select this plane and go to modify, center pivot. Go to modify and go to this convert, then select this nerves to polygon. Reset this. Change it to code and general, and select this third option, per span of ISO parameters. Keep it 3 and apply. Now you can select this plane and delete rest of these things. Delete this trimmed surface. Now select your plane and go to front view again. Let's adjust these vertices and merge this one here. Go to multi-cut tool and select this edge. Connect it here like this. Select this one and connect it here, this one here, and you have to make all these connections. Now go to modify, then center pivot, and go to face mode, delete these faces, and go to vertex mode, select these vertices, push them out a little bit, change the pivot and place it on this side, then create a duplicate. Go to your channel box and in the scale X add -1 to duplicate and combine these two. Then go to vertex mode, select these vertices in the middle and merge. Now let's extrude this and add thickness 0.2 or maybe 0.15. Place it back Go to front view, place it like this. Now you can also select these edges. Select this one and extrude a little bit like this. Now select all these edges. And go to mesh display, then soften edge. Let's connect this one. Now go to multi-cut tool and select this vertex and connect it to this one. We have to repeat this on the back. So again, go to multi-cut tool, select this vertex and connect it with this one. Let's scale it down a little bit. So go to vertex mode and select these vertices, push them up like this and this. Now you can duplicate and place on this side. And duplicate again, then rotate. And place these two down here. Now select these two and duplicate one more time, place them on the back. Now you can select this cylinder and let's place it on the top of this thing like this. Same for this one. Let's place it like this. And now it looks much better. Now go to front view again and take a plane, bring it out, go to front view and rotate this. Change the subdivision width to 1 and let's keep the height to 5. Scale it down like this. Go to vertex mode and let's adjust these vertex to create a curve. Like this. Now select this edge, then extrude like this, and this vertex, bring it here. And now I'm going to change the pivot to here and create a duplicate. Then go to my channel box and in the scale Z add -1. Now select these two and combine. Go to vertex mode, select these two vertices and merge. Then remove this edge. Again change the pivot to this corner and create a duplicate. And this time let's add -1 to scale X. Like this. Now select both of them and combine. Then vertex mode, select the vertices in the middle and merge. Now you can remove this edge. Let's go to deform and select this lattice. Go to attribute editor and change the T division to 2. Select this lattice point and go to front view, then select all of them and scale them down like this. And these one like this. Now select this plane and go to edit delete by type history to remove that lattice and extrude 0.15 or maybe 0.08. Now press Ctrl E again and offset a little bit to 0.02. And let's extrude one more time like this. Go to edge mode, select this edge and these ones. Same on this side and bevel. Decrease the fraction and increase one segment. Keep the fraction to 0.3. And place it on this box. Now let's create a torus and bring it out. Go to front view and rotate this like this. Go to right view and decrease the radius and section radius. Place it on this thing. Now decrease the section radius and radius again. Let's keep the radius 0.2 and section radius to 0.03. Go to right view and face mode, select half of this torus and delete. Now place this here like this. Maybe scale it down a little bit. Now select this cylinder and copy it, bring it out front and place it here on the top of this torus. Now take a plane and bring it out. Go to front view and rotate this. Remove all these subdivisions. Scale it like this. Again, scale it. Select these two and pull them up till here. Now let's take a cylinder and rotate. Change the radius. And subdivision axis to, let's take 14 or maybe 12. Select these two and isolate them. Let's bring it here. Take a multi-cut tool and add some points like this. Again, add some vertex like this. Just trace this cylinder. And now you can delete this face and this cylinder. Again, select the multi-cut and join these vertices. Now bring back your model, go to front view and place it like this. Now go to deform again and select this lattice, then change the division to 2 and select this lattice, then lattice point, select all of them and scale like this. Now select this, then edit, delete by type history and duplicate this, then rotate. Pull this up. Select both of them and combine. Then go to edge mode and select these two edges, then bridge. Same on this side. Scale it down a little bit. Now select this border and extrude like this. Select these two edges and extrude again, then scale. And these ones till up here. Let's select these two and pull them up, and select this one, then go to vertex mode and pull these vertices up like this. Now extrude this plane 0.05 or 0.03. Now isolate this, and you can select this edge and these ones. And bevel. Then add one segment and decrease the fraction to 0.4. Let's scale this torus. So we have completed the modeling for this old chest, and in the next video we are going to unwrap this and texture it in Substance Painter. So that's it for today, and if you like this video then you can subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on the Instagram and join my Discord server. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.